Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix your laptop battery not charging properly on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix this issue, first of all click on Start menu. Now click on Settings, click on System. Now in search type Troubleshoot. You will find Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Troubleshoot Settings. You will find an option here, Additional Troubleshooter. Click on Additional Troubleshooter. Now scroll down. You will find an option here, Power. Click on Power. Run the troubleshooter. To troubleshoot the power option, click on Run the troubleshooter. Now detecting issues, and you must connect your power adapter. Some issues found. Now click on Apply this fix. It already fixed some issues, only one issue is not fixed. Time before display goes to sleep is too long. Click on Close. Now I am going to show other fixes. Close settings. Right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager. The second option is Batteries. Now expand the batteries and you will find here Microsoft AC adapter. Right click on Microsoft AC adapter and click on Update Driver. Now click on Scan automatically for drivers. The base driver for this device is already installed, but you'll find still your battery is not charging. Again, right click on AC adapter and click on uninstall device. After uninstalling the device, you need to restart your computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem has been solved. But if your problem is still not fixed, you have to go for the third way. Click on Search, type Power, click on Choose a Power Plan, and here by default Balanced is selected. You can change the power settings, but best option is to create a new power plan. Click on Create a new power plan, select Balanced. That is recommended. Balanced means automatically balance performance with energy consumption on capable hardware. Type the power plan name here and click on Next. You can change settings on battery, turn off the display after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Plugged in. When you plug in, display will never turn off. Put the computer to sleep. You have to select time here. I am selecting 5 minutes after. Put the computer to sleep in plugged in position. I am going to select 10 minutes here. Click on Create. The second power plan also created and selected. If you wish, you can select your new power plan or old power plan or balanced as per your requirement. I am selecting my second power plan that I have created already. Now close power options. Hopefully your problem has been solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.